On this Tech Tuesday, we're digging holes with water. Today I'm going to show you how to dig the most efficient hole possible using your pressure washer at home. So I've got an old 4x4 here. It's about 4 feet, 4.5 feet long, and we're going to dig a hole about 2 feet down. We're going to be using a gas pressure washer that has about 3 gallons a minute capacity. And what I've got here is an SGS 35 with a ball valve. And the reason for the ball valve is that this is a really common practice for utility workers to actually use an inline gun. So they would forego the ball valve, but I'm going to show you what it looks like with both a 90-degree gun and an inline gun. It allows you to have a more ergonomic hold on your spray gun as you're going down the hole. And so for those employees out there, they're using usually maybe a 5 or a 6 foot lance, so it's way up here. And it's a lot easier to hold and engage the gun than something like this because it's holding your hose backwards, so it pulls the lance out due to the weight. So with an inline gun, it actually holds it straight and you just go straight down with it. So I've got a mark here that's indicating 2 feet. So we're gonna go 2 feet down. Always engage your turbo nozzle in the down position. And once you are moving down into the hole, don't disengage your gun. Pull it out and then disengage because you don't want that backflush of sand and debris to get into your turbo nozzle. Right up to my mark. Now I'm going to pull out. I'm going to go a little bit over and do the same thing. This is the safest way to dig, although you should always call before digging. We did that here so we know that there are no electric lines. And that's it. So now what we're going to use is we're going to use the discharge water for our concrete when we pour it in. We want to get some of this water out. Got a couple roots in there. It's a nice thing about turbo nozzles is that roots don't really matter. So I'm going to widen the hole just a little bit. And now we're going to throw in our concrete. And actually, I'm going to show you really quick what that other gun looks like. So I've closed my ball valve. It digs holes so fast that I was going to show you another method, but so here, re-engage my ball valve. And this is what the pros do. So they hold it like this. And it just does the work for you. You don't even have to push it. And ideally, I would have already done this. Walk away. And now it sets. It's been a week since we set our post and it's nice and solid. And so you have 3 options for removal. You can whiskey pop it. If you don't know, look it up. You can try and kick it, push it, and dislodge it, which is difficult to do. Or what we're going to show you today is a really cool method for removal with the same turbo nozzle we use to bore the hole. Ooh, she's coming out. I lost my jacket. So there you go. And that's how you remove a post. So as you can see, what we did is it actually blew off the cement from the post as it was boring around the hole. So there was a chunk that I was able to pull out. It's at the bottom of the hole here, but this is some of the cement that it actually blew off. So it was fully encased, but a turbo nozzle with 4,000 PSI blasting against this at an angle peels it right off. You can see this is hard cement. It takes less than 2 minutes to effortlessly dig a hole with a pressure washer. Save your back and time using a turbo nozzle. Ditch the post hole digger and save your back by using a turbo nozzle. That was the brute strength. You know what a whiskey pop is?